I've got a bolt that's rusted in there pretty good. This was on the bottom side of the excavator. Tried to turn the bolt actually just kind of snapped right off. So what I need to do is I need to get that bolt out of there if I can, because I'd like to keep the threads. And I can see that the threads are kind of still there on this side. So I'll show you a little trick if this works. I'll do it, let me set this down. I'll do it real time if I can. That should be kind of pointed toward the area okay there. There we go. Put on my heavy duty safety gloves, which only catch fire when the temperatures exceed 12 degrees. Okay, so I want to put it facing the other way. What I want to do is I want to get the grinder hot enough so I can get kind of some of the rust to break free. And I want to get everything around the side of this with my handy dandy grinder without cutting through it, because you still need that for the vice grips. That's enough. Should be able to put my vice grip on it. Once I get it right here, yeah. Fairly loose. Now, I've used all sorts of penetrating oil and things like that to try and break it loose before, and that was absolutely not working. Over here so you can see what I'm doing. Just trying to get it to break free. I don't know if you can see any of that or not. But it's actually breaking free. And it's coming out, which is nice because that machine's metric and I don't have any metric taps. So all I got to do now, get some new bolts, and I can reuse this bracket. As you can see, I did it with the other ones just to make sure I could do it before I tried YouTubing it. And that's how you get some really badly rusted bolts out. I just realized that I can't hit the button on my iPhone because I need fingers.